Talofa lava. My name is AlJay. I'm the youngest of Fetalaiga Fou's kids. I'm not much of a public speaker, so just bear with me, please. I just want to start off by thanking everyone for being here with us today. Thank you guys for coming to celebrate a remarkable woman. My mum was a woman of many things. She was a devoted church lady, a full-time pelea player, and also a party animal. But most importantly, she was our mum. Mum had the same routine every day. In the morning, she'd start her day off by doing a loko in front of her whakusa, and then do a ipuki while the Zumba's playing. In the Avo, she'd hog the whole TV by watching her 2 shows. At 3 p.m, she'd have Tipping Point on, and at 6, she'd watch The Chase. This is going on, she's probably scrolling on Facebook. It's these things that are going to be missed. There's a lot more to say, but I don't want to go into detail about Mum's schedule, or else we'll be here till 12. Mum, you're a vibrant soul, one who literally lit up the room whenever you entered. You're going to be missed by everyone. I'm just happy that you were able to leave a mark on every single person in this church. So with that, I would like to stand here and say it's an honor to share these precious memories of my mum. I am happy to express the sadness that me and my siblings and my nieces are all going through. You're definitely going to be missed, but your memory will live on. Thank you for everything you've given us. Mum, I love you, and I miss you more than words can say. Yo la po'a, and always pele, AlJay. O wā o lo uola ia leke riso lea. A o lo uoti o la umanuia lea. Whatalo whatu. Ia o auna a lea tua ma le nei tua la awhiawhi. Whatalo whatu fo i le o tō paia ma le o tō mamalu. Pawhatai o tō mafutana o mafuta o na tō sa uninga o si o mato tinā. O lo ngoa o vaiala. O wau o longa kolu. O whanau o le nei mato matua. Ai si tamu whai atu se Molimau pupu i le mafutanga ma le lo tinā. O lo lupe o sola mamau o lo ito se fui mai. Sorry. Those to understand someone, I am the third child of mom and dad. I was one of her tough kids growing up. I didn't prepare anything today, but just gonna let you think come out of the heart. About mom, to describe mom, she was tough. She's talented, life of a party. And she's always got a smile on her face, even though she's hurting. She's taught us and to be strong in no matter what we do, and that anything is possible through Christ. Well, I'd like to share one memory of my mum. When I first started dating my wife, Lorna, I took her over home and I had a little fallout with her. Yeah, that was the first time Lorna ever saw hiding in her life. Probably the first time she's seen the broom break pieces by pieces. But I'm grateful for all those teachings and for all of that. She's made who we are today, especially my siblings. She's, like AlJay said, she's devoted to the church, in her ecclesia. One thing about mom, she used to always call me when I was in Australia. Every time it was her time to go langa, to send her some money for the go langa. And she never misses it, but I'm grateful that I had the chance to always send when she asked. I believe there's a TikTok that goes around that says, "Give me the money." I believe my mom created that trend. She's always asking for money. But I'm just gonna keep it short and simple. Mom, we love you. Ia manuelo malanga. Say hi to Dad for us and keep watching over us, especially your grandkids. After I love